Hey folks, I'm going to show you how I air fry my bacon. So let me show you our air fryer. Take a look here. We have the Cuisinart oven. So we set it to air fry and to 350. And I'm going to go ahead and put the bacon in the... I line my little pan that comes with the oven with some foil. Put my basket down. I've got some olive oil spray. You use your baking spray you wish, but I spray the pan. This is just to keep it from sticking. And I have some Wright's brand Applewood bacon. It's one of my favorite brands to eat and cook. It's pretty, it's a thick bacon. So I just tear this or pull it apart. Let's just lay them down. Don't overthink it. Just spray your pan and put them on. And we're going to cook these for about 10 minutes and we'll show you their progress as they're cooking. So let's put our pan in. Notice I'm putting it in the middle of the oven. This is if you have this type of oven. I know a lot of folks have the little black ones with the top. Ours is the Cuisinart oven. It comes with different other controls besides air frying. So I'm going to set it to about 10 minutes on 350 air fry. It's almost done, so let's just, if you want to see them cooking inside the oven, let's take a look at it, folks, because I don't want it to, our oven does, so, oh yeah, let's take it out before it burns. So it's right here, like 10 more seconds and it would have, so that's exactly 10 minutes on 350 air fry. So I would probably do mine in this particular oven about 8 minutes.
Yeah,
to keep it from making the edges burn. But
the middle of it looks really good
yeah.
on here.
So it's not as consistent as I do when I put it in my oven, which you've probably seen our bacon in the oven video. But this is a really quick way to cook it. You just have to hone it for your particular oven.
You can't tell what the output's going to do, can you?
But I would do mine if I did this again in the air fryer, 8 minutes instead of 10.
That looks
but
great, though.
There you go. That's air fried bacon. And folks, you hear a lot on the web about it making a lot of mess. It just, I don't see a lot of mess. There's not a lot of popping in my oven. And there's the grease in the bottom of the pan.
The grease is in the bottom. It didn't splatter all up, did it?
So there you go. Air fryer bacon.
Thanks for watching, folks.